This is me walking down the street in a local area for the first time after the last 10 years. I've been living in this environment, and today I decided to go back and take a look around. Probably want to find something to eat as I used to before, eating the chicken feet or intestine. So here's me. I am with the mamas here frying the chicken intestine. And for me, it brings back the good memories as I used to live around in these areas before, back in the days. So now I decided to try the chicken feet and the chicken intestine. As you can see, the mama is actually frying it. It looks very good so far. So let's get into it and to try it out. First time I was hesitating how it will be tasting like, but it's actually tasting very good. So I had a chicken intestine and a couple of bananas, and that was my morning breakfast. And now it was about maybe 7:30 a.m. I got into this area because by 8 to 9 all these intestine and the chicken feet will be finished, because a lot of students are coming by around those times before they go to school. They pass by to this mama, buy a lot of these intestine and the chicken feet as part of the feast or breakfast as they're heading to school. So again, as me sitting here and with people around, I will start making friends, joking around, which is nice. And this is all about, being in the street. Everyone is friendly, having dogs around and feeding them. And now, people will be talking to you about different stuff. Maybe sometimes they feel like you're a stranger. Now you have to explain about everything, where you grew up, and this is your environment that used to be in the last maybe 10 years or so, and now you're back just to look at it and to get all the experience.